Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore favorites in Microsoft Edge. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you already have your Bookmarks backup saved as an HTML file, you can quickly import it back into Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Favorites to open the Favorites section. Next, click on three dots again, and then click Import Favorites. Once you are here, click on this Import button and a menu will pop up. In the Import From drop-down menu, select Favorites or Bookmarks HTML file. Now, click Choose File and locate the HTML backup file on your computer. Select it and click Open. Edge will import your bookmarks automatically. Once the process finishes, your restored favorites will usually appear inside an imported folder under Favorites. If you notice duplicate bookmarks, you can organize or remove them later, and that's it. So that's basically how you can restore favorites in Microsoft Edge. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!